In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Copilot to handle meeting minutes in Microsoft Teams or Outlook. If keeping track of detailed meeting notes feels overwhelming, you're in the right place. We're going to make this process simple and stress-free. So, let's dive in. The first thing you will want to do is access Microsoft Teams or Outlook, whichever you're using for your meetings. Both platforms are compatible with Copilot, a handy tool that's going to make your tasks a whole lot easier. You can launch either program from your desktop or through your preferred web browser, depending on your setup. Remember, you'll need an active internet connection to use these programs smoothly. Once you're set up in Teams or Outlook and your meeting is underway, you can call upon Copilot to generate minutes. This can be done either during the meeting or after it concludes. It's a flexible feature that adapts to your schedule and needs, making it especially convenient. Simply ask Copilot to create a draft of the meeting minutes. You can do this by typing in the chat or navigating through the app's interface where Copilot might be integrated. The process is intuitive. Just follow any on-screen prompts and Copilot will start compiling an initial draft for you. Now that you have a draft, it's time to review and refine it. Copilot will give you a detailed outline, but it's crucial that you give it your personal touch to ensure all important points are covered accurately. This stage is where you'll check for any required edits or additional details that weren't captured. Take a few moments to go through each section, perhaps adding any resolutions, action items, or key decisions that were made. This will enhance the clarity and usefulness of your meeting minutes. After refining the draft to your satisfaction, the next step is to share it with all meeting participants. Clear communication is key, and sharing the minutes promptly ensures everyone is on the same page. In Teams, you can send the document directly through the chat, attach it to a channel, or email it via Outlook. If you're in Outlook, consider sending the minutes as an email attachment to all participants. With just a quick click or two, your polished meeting notes will be sent out for everyone to review, discuss, and use for follow-ups. By harnessing the power of Copilot, you're now equipped to handle meeting minutes like a pro without the usual stress. This method is designed to save you time and make your workflow smoother, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. So go on, give it a try, and see how Copilot can become an indispensable part of your productivity toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.